Hi, today I'll be looking at the Hex Styly 6-in-1 stylus pen. And now as you can see, it comes beautifully presented in a very nice gift box, making it an absolutely ideal present to give. The Hex Styly is a very good looking and functional stylus pen, as you can see, with its silver metallic finish. The omnidirectional stylus tip on the top of the Hexy Styly enables you to draw and write with incredible accuracy and precision on all capacitive screens, which pretty much covers all of the range of tablets and smartphones on the market today. The Hex Styly also features an integrated refillable ballpoint pen for jotting notes and writing down cards. Always good to have a pen lying around. And with this, you have it in your stylus pen as well. So you have so many functions with this pen, and the writing being one of them. Simply twist to reveal the nib and twist back so that it retracts. You get a very nice grip there as well, just to aid your writing so it's not going to slip around in your hand. Now the Hex Styly also features a printed ruler on the side there, which is perfect for little quick measurements around the house, as well as a spirit level built in. Now the spirit level is really good if you're putting up any picture frames around the house. You can just make sure they're level very quickly and easily without having to go hunting through your toolbox. As if that wasn't enough, the Hex Styly also features a reversible head screwdriver. Simply twist at the top where the stylus is, which will reveal the Phillips and slotted head screwdriver. So what you want to do if you want to change it up is pull out and put back in. It really is as easy as that. So you do have a screwdriver for every occasion, all in one pen. This is a fantastic product with so many functions and is available now at Mobile Fun.
Hi, today I'm going to be showing you the new pair of camera sunglasses from Wing Sun. They come in this sturdy case. Inside you will find your cleaning cloth, your USB charging cord, and your glasses. Now if you look right on the front here, you'll see that is the camera lens for this, and on the left arm right here you will see there's an SD card slot and a tab. This tab here is where you plug in to charge or to connect to your PC. Now the nice thing with these is they actually send you a 32 gig micro SD card. So we put it in here till it clicks, and we flip these around. There's a button right here on the left arm, and when you're ready to record, you tap it once and you'll see your blue lights come on. The front one is flashing, which means we're recording. When you want to stop and save, tap it one more time, it goes into standby. Now you can record 5-minute loops or clips, so if you just push it once and let it record, it will keep recording until you either shut them off by tapping to stop it, just tap it once, or if you let it run out of battery power, which is about 2 hours. To power the glasses off, you just press and hold this button for 3 seconds, and now they're off. These are great glasses. The video is 1080. The sharpness and the clarity is amazing for such a small camera. I hope this helps get you started with your new glasses, and enjoy them.
The gateway to a smarter home is here. With the My Smart Blinds Automation Kit, you can quickly and easily transform your windows into your home's hub for all things privacy, security, lighting, and temperature. The My Smart Blinds Automation Kit is designed to give you the power to upgrade your home's efficiency. It's easy to install and can have your blinds fully automated in just minutes. Simply take down your blinds, install the included hardware, and be well on your way to a smarter home. With the My Smart Blinds smartphone app, you can enable sun tracking to maintain light levels as the seasons change. Energy savings mode will give your blinds the power to adjust your home's temperature, so My Smart Blinds will pay for themselves in heating and cooling savings. Live smarter with My Smart Blinds. Simple, solar, smart.